फर्स्ट सेंटेंसेस, बताओ मैं कैसे करूं। टेल मी हाउ टू डू। टेल मी हाउ टू डू। वैसे करो जैसे मैं तुम्हें बोल रहा हूं। डू एज आई टेल यू। डू एज आई टेल यू। वैसे करो जैसे राम बोल रहा है। डू एज राम टेल्स यू। डू एज राम टेल्स यू। बताओ मैं क्या करूं। टेल मी व्हाट टू डू। टेल मी व्हाट टू डू। बोलो तुम नहीं जा रहे हो। टेल मी you're not leaving. टेल मी you're not leaving. बोलो कब जाना है। टेल मी when to go. टेल मी when to go. बताओ तुम्हें क्या चाहिए। टेल मी what you need. टेल मी what you need. वो हमेशा झूठ बोलती है। She always lies. She always lies. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा नहीं है। I don't believe in you. I don't believe in you. सच का पता लगाने दो। Let the truth be known. Let the truth be known. तुम बस अपना काम करो। You just do your job. You just do your job. ये गंदा काम है। It is a nasty job. It is a nasty job. लेकिन ये तुम्हारा काम है। But this is your job. But this is your job. नहा कर आओ। Have a bath and come. Have a bath and come. मुझे जल्दी मिलने आना। Come to see me soon. Come to see me soon. कल तुम क्यों नहीं आए थे। Why didn't you come yesterday? Why didn't you come yesterday? काश मैं आ पाता। I wish I could come. I wish I could come. वो कितने साल की होगी। How old could she be? How old could she be? मुझे पहले ही बहुत बुरा लगा था। I felt bad enough already. I felt bad enough already. मेरा मुंह मत खुलवाओ। Don't make me say it. Don't make me say it. क्या खेल है तकदीर का। What a stroke of luck. What a stroke of luck. मीरा ने हाल ही में एक बच्चे को जन्म दिया है। मीरा had a baby recently. मीरा had a baby recently. मैंने 2 पालतू जानवर रखे हैं। I have 2 pets. I have 2 pets. तुम किसके लिए काम करते हो। Who do you work for? Who do you work for? बॉस कौन है यहाँ पर। Who is in charge here? Who is in charge here? जैसा पहले था वैसा ही है। It's the same as before. It's the same as before. तुम कुछ ज्यादा ही नाजुक हो। You are much too delicate. You are much too delicate. मेरा अलार्म ही नहीं बजा। My alarm didn't go off. My alarm didn't go off. आज सुबह मुझे आने में देर हो गई थी। I was late this morning. I was late this morning. तुम कितने बजे आई थी। What time did you arrive? What time did you arrive? कल मुझे आने में देर हो जाएगी। Ria has to go somewhere. Ria has to go somewhere. आज तुम्हें देर क्यों हो गई। Why are you late today? Why are you late today? ऐसा फिर मत होने देना। Don't let it happen again. Don't let it happen again. आज कौन कौन नहीं आया है। Who all are absent today? Who all are absent today? क्या आपने अपना गृह कार्य कर लिया है? Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework? कितना गंदा लिखा है आपने? How messy you have written. How messy you have written. ये क्या लिखा है यहाँ? What have you written here? What have you written here? नेक्स्ट है, परीक्षा के लिए अच्छे से तैयारी करो। Prepare well for the exam. Prepare well for the exam. क्लास शुरू होने वाली है। Class is going to start. Class is going to start. तुम रोहन के बगल में बैठ जाओ प्लीज। Sit next to Rohan please. Sit next to Rohan please. हर दूसरी लाइन पर लिखो। Write on every other line. Write on every other line. बोर्ड के पास आओ प्लीज। Please come to the board. Please come to the board. 5 और 5 10 होते हैं। 5 and 5 make 10. 5 and 5 make 10. तुम्हारी अंग्रेजी की टीचर कैसी है? What's your English teacher like? What's your English teacher like? तुम्हारी पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है? How are your studies going? How are your studies going? तुम ऐसा कैसे कह सकती हो? How can you say that? How can you say that? अब इसमें 4 जोड़ो। Now add 4 to eat. Now add 4 to eat. अब इसमें 2 से भाग दो। Now divide it by 2. Now divide it by 2. इसका क्या करना है? What to do with this? What to do with this? क्या आपको वाक्य पसंद आए? Did you like the sentences? Did you like the sentences? आगे से ध्यान रखना। Why don't we go out? Why don't we go out? वहां जाना बेकार है। It's useless to go there. It's useless to go there. क्या उसे इस बारे में पता है? Does she know about it? Does she know about it? जो होगा होगा। Whatever will be will be. Whatever will be will be. कभी किसी को नहीं पता चलेगा। No one will ever know. No one will ever know. तुम्हें ये कैसे लगा? How did you find this? How did you find this? क्या तुमने रिया से बात की? Did you talk to Riya? Did you talk to Riya? तुमने जो कहा मैंने किया। I did what you said. I did what you said. तुम बाहर क्यों नहीं जा रहे हो? Why aren't you going out? Why aren't you going out? उसके पास ज्यादा पैसे नहीं हैं। They haven't got much money. They haven't got much money. अब किसकी बारी है? Whose turn is it now? Whose turn is it now? आज तो मैंने उसे नहीं देखा। I haven't seen her today. I haven't seen her today. अभी मेरी बात तुमसे खत्म नहीं हुई है। I'm not finished with you. I'm not finished with you. घर जाने का समय हो गया है। It's time to go home. It's time to go home. दिखाना ये कैसे हुआ? Show me how it's done. Show me how it's done. ये मेरा दिमाग खराब कर रहा है। It's messing with my head. It's messing with my head. नहीं ऐसा नहीं है। No, it's not like that. No, it's not like that. अब 4 महीने हो गए हैं। It's been 4 months now. It's been 4 months now. कमरा गंदा मत करो. Don't mess up the room. Don't mess up the room. इससे छेड़छाड़ मत करो. Don't mess around with it. Don't mess around with it. इस कमरे में अंधेरा है. It's dark in this room. It's dark in this room. तुम्हारे कमरे में बहुत अंधेरा रहता है. Your room is very dark. Your room is very dark. उसने मुझे अंधेरे में रखा. He kept me in dark. He kept me in dark. पैसों का हिसाब रखा करो. Keep a track of money. Keep a track of money. मेरे पास कुछ पैसे नहीं हैं. I haven't got any money. I haven't got any money. वह पैसों के लिए कुछ भी करेगा. He'll do anything for money. He'll do anything for money. मीरा कितना अच्छा गा लेती है. How well can मीरा sing? How well can मीरा sing? उसने बहुत अभ्यास किया है. She has practiced a lot. She has practiced a lot. वे मुझ पर हंस रहे हैं. They are laughing at me. They are laughing at me. तुमने शब्द गलत लिख दिया था. You had misplaced the word. You had misplaced the word. मुझे ये बड़ा मुश्किल लगा. I found it very hard. I found it very hard. किसी को ढूंढो जिसे अंग्रेजी आती है. Find someone who speaks English. Find someone who speaks English. मैं उससे कल शाम को मिला. I met her yesterday evening. I met her yesterday evening. तुम कल दोपहर कहाँ थे? Where were you yesterday afternoon? Where were you yesterday afternoon? कल बहुत हवा चल रही थी. It was very windy yesterday. It was very windy yesterday. कल का मैच कौन सी टीम जीती? Which team won yesterday's match? Which team won yesterday's match? हर कोई लालची नहीं होता. Not all people are greedy. Not all people are greedy. उसे पता है उसे क्या चाहिए. He knows what he wants. He knows what he wants. मैं ये सब नहीं कर सकता. I can't do all this. I can't do all this. उससे बोलो ना करे. Ask her not to do. Ask her not to do. पूछ कर बताओ. Ask and let me know. Ask and let me know. राम से बोलो चीखे नहीं. Ask Ram not to shout. Ask Ram not to shout. सब एक साथ मत चीखो. Don't all shout at once. Don't all shout at once. तुमने क्या मांगा? What did you ask for? What did you ask for? हमारे पास पूरा दिन नहीं है. We don't have all day. We don't have all day. मुझे किस बात का डर? What have I to fear? What have I to fear? So guys, ये थे आज के कुछ सेंटेंसेस. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक टेक केयर. बाय बाय.